Hi everyone, my name is Misha de la Cruz and I am going to show you the step-by-step procedure of the task given to me titled I want to know why an application program crashes on my laptop. Can you help me see the error messages? But before we proceed with our video tutorial, let us first know why an application program crashes on your laptop. The most common causes that we encounter is an overheating laptop or computer. As you observe when you are using your laptop or computer and it is overheating, meaning your laptop or computer is not experiencing sufficient airflow. That's why it is not functioning properly and it is result to an application to crash. Next is due to incompatibility with the operating system or the computer processor itself. So we already know the causes. Now let's move on to our video tutorial. First, you need to go to Windows Start button. Then type event. Type event or event viewer on the search programs. Then select event viewer and open it. Then navigate Windows Log, then open Application. You will see here the latest event with error in the level column and the application error in the source column. As you can see here, in the box down below, this is the error messages that you are looking for. I hope this will help you. Thank you.